The Wisconsin Department of Agriculture, Trade, and Consumer Protection is issuing a public health alert due to an undeclared allergens in a sausage product. The product is raw Reuben flavored bratwurst with sauerkraut, Thousand Island dressing, and corned beef type flavors from Raw Cow family sausage in Judah. DATCP says the product contains soy and egg, which were not put on the label. The brats were sold at Raw Cow's family sausage on or before July 9th. So far, no one has gotten sick, but officials said customers with egg or soy allergies should not eat the product.